here is the Decorably Light Blue Glitter Thank You Cards. These were sent to me for review. There are 24 thank you cards in here. We've got 6 card designs, 3 envelope variations, and 6 envelope sticker designs. Decorably always does a great job of packaging these up into sets where that's all you need. You're ready to go. I just dropped them. So here's the card. Pretty blue glitter. It says thank you. This is glittered. This detail's glittered too. And then it's blank inside. So you write your thank you and then fold it up and put it in this really pretty envelope. It's like a marbled design. And look at that. You open the envelope and there's more pretty design. Lots of detail, and then you get to pick a thank you sticker and you are complete. Here's the other envelopes. We've got this solid 2 different shades of blue, and then the other side has some more design. Look at that. More fun details. And then you've got this pretty one. Look at that. That's really pretty, the different shades of blue. And this one. So I like this. Bring back thank you cards. I'm gonna start sending out more thank you cards to show my thanks. It's fun to get something in the mail, and we're so digital now. I think an actual thank you card can go a long way. These are great ones.